Hey, we have officially got the hat on, which means it's time for some real POV driving. I like this parking lot a lot because it's right next to a little airfield. You can see planes taking off. You see a couple PJs every once in a while. Looks like it's gonna rain though. It's actually kind of my favorite weather. Crazy with these tints, it feels so dark in here. It's only 20%. What can I legally say? These are legal, all right? Don't worry about it. We're in Mexico. Oh, 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 oh. Not mistaken, I think there's a tunnel right here actually. Oh ho ho, I was right. There's a little traffic though. I think we can still make this a little fun. Yeah, that's something. I mean, you can't even hear the intake. I can feel a little tiny bit of a difference. I don't know. If I push it on the track, maybe you could feel the difference, but oh, I'm just enjoying that nice V8 sound. Look at this 1 Series in front of me, man. I like that. Oh, wow, he almost ran into the 1 Series. A little bit of... See, if I'd have kept going right there, you know, it would have been a lot nicer. Dude, I cannot get over how much faster this transmission is than the Beamers. Like, it's actually unbelievable damn near. Seems to be something going on, man. Come on, guys. What is this? Oh, this is ridiculous, dude. Damn, that is... Someone tow that guy, man. That is crazy, but I respect it. I respect it. I was being a hooligan. raining. Might have to turn this into a rain POV or something, man. Overall opinions though, a couple mods that we did today, I'm feeling great. I feel like the car maybe doesn't feel exactly brand new. It definitely looks way different, I will say, from the outside. You don't really notice how like 15, 20 millimeter spacers make that big of a difference. Which, by the way, dude, I'm getting cut off by everybody today. Oh, Jesus. Side note, I did try to buy some of, I don't want to say cheaper spacers, but we'll say like more affordable ones, because spacers can go up to like 1,000 per piece, and sometimes it's 1,000 for all four. So I kind of met in the middle somewhere, and I went to go install it at another shop, and they're like, brother, we're not going to install these spacers. Like, your wheel's going to come off. And I said, all right, let's actually buy some proper, you know, good stuff. The thing that always trips me out about this car is that there's no like rain cover. You see those holes? Like the engine just gets wet. When you get a car wash, the engine gets wet, which I know it's like supposed to, you know, but it just scares me a little bit. Like, how wet can it get, you know? Oh yeah, it's coming down now. Whoa, that was a heavy one. Is this gonna be hail? Dude, do not tell me there's gonna be hail. I'll fucking cry, actually. There's the sunshine. Oh, that looks crazy over there. All right, gym time. You already know what it is. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Thanks for sticking through to the end. We'll get a little bit, you know what? We'll get a rev just because you made it through to the end. All right, love you guys. I didn't even say what exhaust was on the car. It's an AWE track exhaust. Then we got the Haltech intake. Then we got some spacers and lower. Oh, where are the lowering springs from, man? I know the spacers are from Paragon. I don't know what else, to be honest. Hang on, can I get a closer spot? It's raining, man. Front row parking. We love it. Sometimes this camera tweaks me out. This camera? Dude, what is that? I want to say Chevy did kind of an insane job at engineering this car. Like, I feel like there's not a ton you can do to it unless you want to spend like thousands of dollars on a big turbo or a twin turbo or a supercharger kit. But I don't think a lot of people tune these cars. Like, I think they just like absolutely got pretty much like 90-95% of the power out of the engine. So I think intakes and exhausts are what people really do on this car. And after those two, I mean, I feel like it's not fully built yet, you know. I'll probably do a couple more things to it. I'm definitely gonna wrap it and do some cool other stuff, but we'll step out into the rain. We'll see what we can do. Oh my, all right, it's actually raining a lot harder than I thought it was. Oh, what a shame, man. What a shame. But yeah, I love it. I don't exactly know how the Haltech compares to other intakes, if we're gonna be honest. Actually, really uneducational video today. Just a little bit of a POV, just a little bit of a I love this car. I don't really know what car is next. I mean, ideally, right, we're gonna keep this until we can afford a Porsche, but we'll see about that. I mean, if there's any companies watching and you wanna do a little build, you know what I'm saying? You wanna sponsor a build, you wanna put some twin turbo, I'm down. I'll avoid the shit out of my warranty. Let's do it. I'm all for the content. I don't know what exactly is gonna happen to this car next. We'll see. I think we might just keep this bad boy around until I can afford a Porsche. Maybe a GT4 in the future. I don't know, that's the dream, right? I can see it happening right now. Love you guys though. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new and all that. I'll see you in the next one. We've been grinding the second channel. We've been grinding the main channel. I'm very proud of it. We're just gonna keep pumping out as much content as I can. I love you. See you soon. Peace.